Vito, I'm Brinkley.
Ciao, I'm Vincenzo. Buongiorno, I'm Vienna, and today we're going to be cooking for you on Vito's Italian Cucina.
Mom! And now here's our Grandpa Vito.
Woohoo!
Hey, guys, what's up? What's up? How's everybody doing? Yeah, that's right. I'm Grandpa Vito, and these are my grandkids. Isn't it great? This is what our second season is going to be about. It's going to be we're going to have guests, like we're going to have kids on the show, and our first entry into this in the kids arena is my grandkids. So, I'm really happy you guys are here. So, we're going to have a good time today. And I'm really kind of excited about what are we doing today, guys? What are we doing? That's what I want to know.
Well, we're making one of my favorites, mac and cheese.
Italian style.
Ooh, that sounds
Chicken
good.
fingers Parmesan.
Wow, that sounds really good. Well, listen, guys, I'm going to let these guys take over and let them handle it all. I'm going to be over here sitting down watching you guys and getting real hungry. So have a good time, and we'll see you in a couple minutes.
Alright.
This is so easy a kid could do it.
Hey, wait a minute. Did you start the pasta?
Check, but it's still got a couple more minutes to go.
This is how we do the chicken fingers Parmesan. First, we have some chicken fingers that you can buy at any store.
Now we have some Italian breadcrumbs with some Parmesan and Italian spices.
We have mozzarella cheese and a beautiful pot of pasta sauce.
First, we take the chicken and we put it in the breadcrumbs.
Then we roll it around a little bit.
And then we take it and put it on the plate.
Now that's that. Next, the frying pan. Sizzle. That looks good.
This is going to be mafioso.
Next up, mac and cheese.
Italian style.
And now, time for our mac and cheese. Right here we have Velveeta cheese and Jack cheese.
Why Jack? Because Jack cheese is very creamy.
Right here we have chopped tomatoes, better known as pomodoro.
First off, let's melt the cheese.
First, in our saucepan, we have a little bit of milk.
And some butter.
And now we stir.
Hey, how's that chicken doing?
Let me check. Looks like they're ready for the oven.
Yes.
Gotta make sure the oven's right. 350. And now a little mozzarella.
And now for the oven. Oven keeper, door, please.
And now for the mac and cheese.
And now it's ready to go into the oven.
And now we top it off with some pomodoro. Next, some Italian breadcrumbs.
And lastly, we have some Parmesan.
Well, I heard the bell ring, and you know what that means. I'm going to see if the chefs have finished what they said they were going to do. Okay? So let's go on in and check it out. Follow me. Here we go. Whoa, look at this. Look at this. You already got their chef hats. Well, I guess you made it to the Top Chef, huh, guys? Did you have a good time today?
Yeah.
Yeah? You going to come back and join me again? Yeah? Okay, so, well, everybody here, ciao for now from Vito's Italian Cucina. Let's dig in. All right, let's go.